Your Sold Team proudly presents the story of the three bears. Once upon a time, in the Mount Pleasant area of San Jose, lived a family of three bears. There was Mama Bear, Papa Bear, and Baby Bear. They had enjoyed their newly remodeled home equipped with a two-car garage and a brand new driveway and a brand new roof. They had loved their open-concept floor plan, including their living room overlooking the well-kept neighborhood. Papa Bear even loved to spend time in the upgraded bathroom. Oops, we'll get back to this later. For many years, they enjoyed cooking in their upgraded quartz kitchen with custom peninsula, enhanced by two exquisite pendant lights, and the floors. Papa Bear always loved the waterproof laminate floors since, well, bears are quite messy after a relaxing mud bath. Most of all, they enjoyed many family time meals together that Papa and Mama Bear cooked after work before sunset because of easy commute access to nearby 680 and 101 freeways. And the Mount Pleasant High School was so close. Baby Bear could walk to school in 10 minutes. They especially loved their huge backyard of 5,500 square feet. They loved their fruit tree and the professionally landscaped front yard with real grass. After all, bears love real grass, not that artificial stuff. At night, they loved to sleep in their bedrooms, which featured soft carpet and new paint. Mama Bear especially loved her custom tile shower and new modern vanity. She loved the natural light of the master bedroom, and so did Baby Bear, who often snuck into her mama's bed. Baby Bear had her own carpeted room, which featured large closets for storing, well, bear toys and bear clothes. There was even an extra bedroom for guests or Grandma Bear to come visit. But it was time to move back to the forest, since that's where bears belong. They hired a realtor named Goldilocks and the Sold Team, and now their house can be yours. For under $700,000, you can enjoy watching your bear cubs grow up and enjoy their amazing home. Buy their home and help the bear family live happily ever after. Contact Your Sold Team to arrange a private showing of this perfect home.